hidden, soft as it can be. I see a rapper dancing in the breeze, in the breeze. I catch it, a rapper dancing in the breeze. I catch it gently by the roots and leaves. One little hand, a seed in the ground, keeping the colors all bright all around. Paper to paper and glass to the bin. That's where the kindness begins. The sparrow needs a branch that isn't gray, with heavy plastics thrown along the way. Let's lend a moment to the sleeping bees. We're part a moment to the sleeping bees. We're part of the forest, the soil and the breeze. We're part of the forest, the soil and the breeze. It doesn't take a mountain or a giant stride, just a soft heart keeping the world on your side. Small steps are walking where the wildflowers grow, watching the garden start to glow. One little hand, a seed in the ground, keeping the colors all bright all around. Paper to paper and glass to the bin. That's where the kindness begins. Rest now, little stream.